Todd on a gun, oh man, if you have no Gaeilge, it doesn't matter. This rural Ireland tragic tale narrates a sad, seductive scale concerning lust without discretion. I was cooked already at a fresh.
Be to be out.
Uruan, Fado, Ferrum Biog, near Carroll. We Buchelma, named Mihal Moore, an only son of 34. When with overdone or Derby, he settled down with Copan Hay. He never felt the need to stroll or spend the evening time egg cold. And his intellectual needs were drawn from books like Peg or his mise. Ach Lawan Husi Malia Clear, a Connie Nass had a bright idea. When Lane Sarah time came by, decided she would like to try Oid Kasul and Carroll. No foreign food, not far to go. And there to meet the local clan and the spader, find the man. His calling lass with eyes so blue was known in Madakia as City soon. The lusty Buckley came calling, and all agreed she was. But she left these men in a state of shock. Oh, be on board, be Coramak. She's heading west, beware of it. Tom and Colleen Arabic. Venus Shields in Glalsna Parish Hall, broke the Farneywearer's wall. Be all on, be Susie on, dressed in a most of evening gown. August brave Cuchulainn from the west, with hurling medals on his chest. George when City soon came in Annan, they with the fake. Though nervous still, he took a chance and gave me the flatter. Will you dance? Galua on the floor they strut, cheek to cheek and foot to foot. And she whispers into the Bob's ear, Easternish, we'll disappear. We'll use my place, the doors unlocked, which day the night you show her up. Clearest Mihal's head was in a spin. The Rev shading swing and Todd's march in. Blessed himself, but this Jezebel would surely damn his soul to hell. Gone fuckle on, could barely stop him, so off he peppered down the floor. Dear Gawali into bed, and decades of the roses. Verse 4. Now Mihal Moore still sleeps alone in his Labrador. But he often thinks of short on this family to be.